Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Green Impostor from the Friday Night Funkin Mod. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing the face shield. Draw a line across and then curve it down on the right. Then curve it in on the left side in the same way. And now connect the lines at the bottom. Let's draw the shape of the body next. Starting from the top right of the face shield, draw a large U-shape curve up to the left and then back down. Now draw the right side of the body with a line down from the face shield. Let's draw the legs next. Start with a curve in the middle here. And then on the left side, draw a line down. And now connect them at the bottom for the left leg. Next, draw a line down in the center here. And then close it off at the bottom for the right leg. Lastly, add a rectangular shape on the left for the backpack. Let's draw the hand holding the microphone next. Draw 3 fingers on a diagonal like this. And then close off the back of the hand with 3 bumps. The bumps should line up with the fingers. Next, add the thumb on the top left with a wavy M shape. Let's draw the microphone now. Start with 2 short lines out the bottom of the hand on an angle. And then a curve to close it off. Now do the same thing on the top of the hand, but make this section a bit longer. Next, draw a large circle at the end for the microphone head. And then add the curved detailed lines inside. And that's it for the Green Impostor. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.